Toyota launched the new Noah and Voxy minivans in Japan. The fourth-generation Noah and Voxy have been reborn as minivans, with more comfort, convenience, and peace of mind than ever, to encourage users to load up their hobbies and toys and hit the road. The new Noah and Voxy are built on the TNGA platform. Body structure optimization enables more vertically aligned C-pillars, compared to previous models, which achieves a distance of 1,295 mm between left and right pillars. Coupled with a cabin height of 1,405 mm, this creates a more open feeling within the cabin. The 7-seater models feature captain seats in the second row. In addition to ottoman mechanisms and seat heaters, the seats also have large foldable side tables. The lower profile, one-touch folding third-row seats also allow ultra-long straight sliding mechanisms, rather than requiring sideways sliding, without compromising ride comfort. The 8-seater models come with a 3-person bench seat in a 60/40 split configuration in the second row. Like the 7-seater, these models also use ultra-long sliding mechanisms. A large capacity, 104 liters, super luggage box, also provides useful underfloor storage, to allow tall cargo items and suitcases. New Noah and Voxy, equipped with power sliding doors, have a universal step on the front passenger seat side. The step extends and retracts below the door by Karakuri mechanism, when opening and closing the sliding door. The step is 200 mm high, to provide easy access for the whole family, from children to the elderly. These models also come with 460 mm long hand grips as standard inclusions, on both left and right B-pillars. Set at an easy height to grip for everyone from children to adults. The hand grip thickness is optimized at the top for adults and at the bottom for children. Inside, we can find new infotainment systems too. The display audio system, with high-definition wide display, is Toyota's first to support connected navigation. Rather than using map data loaded into the vehicle's system, this enables destination searches and route settings using new center-acquired data. A voice recognition service can also set destinations in the system. This service is provided free of charge for a period of 5 years from the first registration. An 8-inch display is standard for display audio system, while a 10.5-inch display and onboard navigation is optional for display audio plus with connected navigation. These new models also come with their own in-vehicle Wi-Fi hotspot, a first for Toyota. The DCM, included as standard on all these models, enables unlimited data transfer for smartphones, game devices and other devices connected to the internet. Hands-free dual power sliding doors are included as package options. This enables users carrying the key to automatically open and close the sliding doors, simply by placing their feet under the sensors at the bottom of the front doors. This is a very convenient feature when both hands are full, such as when carrying children. The new Noah and Voxy come equipped with Toyota Safety Sense, the newest active safety package with advanced and improved functionality. This feature expands the range of accidents it can respond to. The new minivans have been engineered with front and all-wheel drive powertrains, and boast a 2-liter gasoline engine working with a CVT gearbox. The latter has a 10-speed sport sequential shiftmatic, for fun shift changes, with the feeling of a manual. Alternatively, there's a hybrid powertrain, consisting of a 1.8-liter engine with an upgraded electric motor and battery pack compared to the previous generation models. Prices are starting from $24,000 and can go up to $34,000 in Japan.